Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 1st of February 2021, our Grange Headteacher Message Assembly. And it's all about character strength, as we always said. How can we become stronger to live our best lives? How can we use our character strength to solve our problems, our challenges as we go ahead in life? And this week we are looking, as always, at the virtues. Virtues are good things, noble behavior that makes the world a better place. And we've said there are 6 virtues. There's wisdom, where you think deeply and you learn from everything that you've gone through. Courage, that's the strength to live your life to the full and not let fear hold you back, or any distractions hold you back. If you've got a task to do, you go for it. Temperance, which is finding the balance, so you never go too overexcited or too underexcited. You just find the right balance in your behavior. Humanity, all your actions, all the actions that we do with kindness and caring for everybody. And in justice, whatever we do it with fairness for everybody, equality and equity. And then transcendence is that special extra level we can all get to when we are the best that we can be, when we can forgive people, when we forgive ourselves, when we can be grateful for things, when we can really see the best that life has to give us. Those are the virtues. And today we're focusing on the virtue of justice. And we've spoken about justice. Justice means that everything you do it in the right way, the way that is fair for everybody. And the character strengths that make up justice. So far, we've looked at fairness, which is that it should always be fair for everybody. It should be equal and fair for everybody, whatever you do. And then today we're looking at teamwork. And teamwork is when we work together to make everything better. We've all got different strengths. We all have different moments when we are stronger, when we pull together, when we support each other, we make what is called a community. And then it makes the world a better place, because we know we've got people that we can count on, and other people know that they can count on us, and we make ourselves a better community. And that's why I want everybody to just please sign up for our Grange history making free online quiz nights on the 11th of February at 7 p.m. It's going to be fun. All of us are going to be doing it at exactly the same time, wherever we are, all around London, all around Harrow. We're going to be doing it, and maybe even some friends of Grange around the world. So this is what you've got to do: is you go to this page. It's called, you go look for letslocalize.co.uk. You go to sign up, and when you've signed up over there, you follow Grange School, and you will see our event, and you can pledge. It's totally free to join our event. And what was really nice, when I just took the screenshot, I realized that Miss Chorne, who's one of our very own Grange teachers, had signed up for our event, which is wonderful. Thank you, Ms. Chorne, for inspiring all of us. We know about the Great Grange Reading Challenge. I'm just giving a shout out for that again, because it is wonderful. And Tubman class have got through 1 million words already. Keep going. We are doing great things at Grange. So I'm going to give you powerful teamwork action. And I'm going to say it is sign up for the quiz. Number 2, sign up for the quiz. And number 3, sign up for the quiz. Please get your parents signing up, get yourselves signing up, get your friends signing up. The record is 124 people have participated in a quiz on Let's Localize so far. We've got 19 people signed up. We want to break that record of 124. We want to get as many people as possible at 7 o'clock on the 11th of February. We know we're the Grange community. We're all going to have fun doing the quiz. So, what problems does teamwork solve? Well, we've seen it already. It builds a community and makes us stronger. We support each other. That's the Grange CC way. We are confident and considerate. It is a philosophy for life. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. And sign up for the quiz, everybody. I'm going to be watching. I want to see. We've got 90 people signed up. Come on, let's get past that 100 barrier, 124 barrier. Let's make history together. Let's be a community. Let's do teamwork. Let's put it in action. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.